Hello fellow YouTubers, I thought I'd show you a video I'm doing. Well, as you can tell, I got a new boot on the four-wheeler. I noticed it last week. I ordered the part through Amazon and I could not get the axle out. So I had to disassemble the whole front end, this whole side here, take everything apart and move things out of the way, undo the shock there, lift it up, this part, and the bolt for the top ball joint will not come out, so I had to jerry rig the axle out somehow. But anyway, I got it all done, part put back together. But I know it's yesterday that boot's gone, so I ordered one yesterday. I gotta do the same thing on this side. Yeah, fun. So hopefully, and I know how it comes apart now, so hopefully this side will not take as long as this side did. But I noticed that this rim is a benty. Right there, it's got a little bend in it. And when she rides, she goes like this. So I don't know if I can put this in the back or not. I'm going to find out. I'm going to put this in the back, put that tire up here. But I don't think I can because it's reversed. No. Got to break the tires down and reverse them, but I ain't gonna hell with it. But this tire wobbles like this when I'm driving. Otherwise, there's a shake in the front end on the pavement. I might take the rim off, take the tire off, and try to get the kink out of the rim. I don't know, but it's back together. I drove it around just in the yard, towing Sarah around on the back in this, because I don't have a seat, but she sits in that while I'm driving around in second gear. Not going fast, just enough to give her a ride. But 2 days of doing that. Yeah, it's in there. And hopefully it stays on there. One time let's get those clamps on there. It's the ones you pull and you twist and you lock it in. It's not like the other ones. But anyway, it's back together. That's it. Peace. Yeah, I'm tuckered out. Driving around, working on this. I'm exhausted. So anyway, take a radio.